talking about two very useful and very awesome lights from CINEPEER. Let's start with CINEPEER CX100 and talk about all of its super cool features. CINEPEER CX100 light. Let's open it up and see what we think of it. Now, first up, as we open it, we see here's our light. We have our charging cord, which is a USB-C charging cord, and we have our dome shade. Now, the CX100 CINEPEER light is a super cool light in that it has a 100-watt bulb that will end. This fits generally in about the palm of my hand here. Over here is my battery, and these are my controls. I can control my temperature setting for my light and the percentage of light shown. And then, of course, I have my dome shade here. Now, the CINEPEER CX100 light is super cool in that it has a temperature rating of 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. So that is a nice, decent range. It also has versatile expandability for the amount of attachments that you can attach it to. It has the dual dial design right here on the side for my temperature rating, along with my percentage of how much light I want to be seen from 0 to 100. And it has many different ways of using the battery, with our battery right here attached to the light or attaching it to an external power bank. It is ultra light at 170 grams and it is palm size. It is super powerful at 3,840 lux. And with that, the CX100 light can give you cinematic lighting and performance for all of your videos. So the CX100 offers exceptional lighting quality and a wide color temperature range, allowing for seamless adaptation to numerous professional shooting scenarios. With this built-in battery, the CX100 light can last you up to 30 minutes of continuous use when you are using your light at 100%. These super easy to use dials here on the side allow you to be able to adjust your parameters nice, smoothly, and easily. On the back, we have our advanced cooling system called the Dynavort system with an FOC fan. This allows for our light to stay nice and cool while we are using it and will prevent any fires from happening. Along with our CX100 light in our box here, we also have a lampshade to go on it to help make our light softer. This attaches fairly simply to it once you find the ways to line it up. And once attached, it sits very nicely on our light. It's not going anywhere until I press the unlock button here. And it definitely makes our light a little bit better. Now, if I were to let this light run continuously for 30 minutes, eventually my fan on the back here would turn on, and that fan is going to help dissipate some of that heat to prevent our light from catching fire. This light is super powerful at 100 watts and definitely needs this fan on the back to help keep things cooled and ready to be used. Finally, thanks to its smaller size, this light can facilitate many different lighting scenarios, whether you are outside, on the trail, taking photo shoots, or you are just on the road traveling and need a good light for your blogging. This CX100 light is for you. 25 light is a 25-watt light with 3,360 lux, and they claim that it fits in the palm of your hand. So let's open it up and see what we think. User support and manual. And then We have our light with its silicone cover and our charging cord. Weighing in at only 232 grams, the CM25 is truly a lovely, pocketable little light. Perfect to toss in your bag and take with you for outdoor photo shoots, outdoor vlogging, or any other setups where you need a little more light. Now with Pro Color Rendering, this light can cover a lot of different bases. Here I am at just about 25% brightness, so I can use my dials here on the side to change my temperature rating to 2700 Kelvin, and then change it all the way back to a cooler setting of 6200 Kelvin, and I can find that nice middle area. I can also adjust my brightness by bringing it down or bringing it all the way up. You can see this light is quite bright, and I can always turn it off. These dials make it super easy to control and figure out what kind of settings I would like. I also have right up over here my charging spot. Now this does have a built-in battery, but if I would prefer, I can always use an external battery. This built-in battery will last you about 30 minutes at 100% of continuous use, but you can always have that external battery for extra help. And then down on the bottom here I have where I can attach this to a tripod and to other accessories. And of course I have my silicone covering on right now, but I can easily take that off and I would have just my light right there. So this has a high density chip array of 112 chips that allow for its lighting abilities. So on the back, this light does feature an FOC fan. This fan helps to dissipate the heat so that this fan will not overheat. It will turn on if you are using it for that continuous usage. And without the fan, our battery could overheat, our light could overheat, and things could catch fire, but they put in this really cool FOC fan, and that helps to dissipate that heat away and will help prevent any fires from happening. So CM25 is very suitable for outdoor settings like outdoor photo shoots, outdoor vlogging, and outdoor atmosphere, and so much more. And you are going to want this little light to toss into your bag and have that little extra boost.